Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to cover guys how to forget Bluetooth speaker to our phone. Friends, we have connected guys any Bluetooth speaker and guys we have connected any Bluetooth device and guys you don't want to use guys, you want to forget this device. So how can you forget guys? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to forget your Bluetooth speaker. So we will turn on guys our phone setting and guys we will scroll it. Friends, you can see your more connection setting, friends, tap here, and guys you can see your Bluetooth setting, friends, tap here. So friends, you can see guys we have connected guys the JBL speaker and guys we want to forget this device. So how to forget? So you can see this setting icon guys, tap here right side, and guys you can see this icon guys, tap here, and guys you want to change guys your Bluetooth speaker device name, so you can change from here, and guys you can see forget option guys, tap here, forget device. Yes, we want to forget, so it will forget to your phone guys, you cannot use guys, you want to use, so you will have to connect again. So like that guys, you can forget your Bluetooth speaker to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.